Located on the southeast coast of Sicily, Noto is a breathtaking Baroque city in the province of Siracusa. Most of the churches, palaces, and buildings were rebuilt after the 1693 earthquake that destroyed the original city. With every visit, we are reminded of its exquisite treasures. From the ancient gate on through the Corso Vittorio Emanuele, you can marvel the intricate architecture that is so symbolic to the city. This is Corso Vittorio Emanuele, one of the main streets here in Noto. And after the 1693 earthquake, it was rebuilt into certain sections. So this main street was dedicated to the clergy. You can find many of the churches on this street. Streets upward were for the noblemen, and all the streets going down were for the everyday people. So, let me show you around. The church of Santa Chiara is small and intricate, but if you go upstairs to the cloister convent above, there's a terrace where you can enjoy a panorama view of the city. And inside, just imagine the nuns standing behind the grills during Mass so their faces would be obscured. This way, people wouldn't recognize them. Oh, and if you go up another few flights of stairs to one of the towers, oh wow, you can get a better look at the Duomo, where we are going to next. The masterpiece of Noto is the Cathedral of San Nicola, which stands royally on top of a set of stairs. Construction began just 1 year after the earthquake in 1694 and was completed in 1770. In front of the cathedral, you will find the Palazzo Ducezio, the town hall. And as you walk along, there are plenty of other palaces, shops, restaurants, and dizzying array of items to wander at. As I always say, make sure you look up, down, and behind you to get the full effect of every city. For instance, take a look at these amazing balconies. In the Piazza May 16th is the Church of San Domenico and the main theater of Lorenzo. Noto is also known for the Infiorata, or flower festival, held each May. Artists create fresh, colorful flower beds with different themes of each year. These videos were taken in past years. The event attracts admirers from all over the world. Before we head to the natural reserve of Noto and the Greek city of Eloro, let me show you a few more treasures around town. This is the gate to enter Noto, and you can see up top the crenellated towers, power, the pelican, sacrifice, and then you have the dog over there, loyalty. Are you enjoying this video? Please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos from and about Sicily. Outside the historic center is the Lido of Noto and also the natural reserve of Vindicati, with notable rocky shores and white sands.
Questa è la strada greca che portava alla città di Eloro.
We walked along roads where once there was an ancient Greek city of Eloro or Heloros. My Italian teacher Rosalia showed me where in ancient times wagons would go on clearly carved out roads. From here, stones were transported to build the ancient city of Eloro in the 7th century BC. Wild vegetation grows all over with notable items like fresh thyme and plants used in ancient times to make brooms to clean the streets.
Facevano le scope di saggina, la scopa per pulire le strade, si facevano con questa palma nana.
E Rosalba, come chiama questa mediterraneo?
Macchia mediterranea.
Macchia
L'insieme di
mediterranea.
piante selvatiche di questa zona si chiamano macchia mediterranea.
Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao!